All right, guys, here we are on the scene of our local Target. The word on the street is that Erin Condren has released new products, and guess what? We're here to check it out. So Target, watch out, because we're going to get all the planners and all the goodies. Let's go. No matter what happens, you can't skip the Target dollar spot, okay? Ever. You just can't ever skip it. So we're going to check out our dollar spot and then be on our way to get planners, okay? We are here in the planner aisle, and right now, guys, I don't see anything. Could it be that they're already all sold out? I mean, it wouldn't surprise me at all, because those Erin Condren planners, I mean, really, to have them in a store and be able to find them, like, just, it's crazy. So let's look. I'm looking down the other aisle. I don't know. I don't see any. Here we go. Oh, guys, what do you see? Oh, I found them. They're here. We're going to get our hands on them right now. As we arrived on the scene, it looks like the shelves have been pillaged. People are running out, grabbing their planners, grabbing one, and just running to the aisles. I can't even believe that they still have them in stock. They're so gorgeous. We have here the Life Planner in the soft-bound version. Guys, this A5 size is amazing. The layers design has always been a favorite. And then we have this one here. It's a 12-month dated planner. It's in the vertical variety. And oh my goodness, just like that, the last one is gone. These are hot sellers, guys. You better get to your local Target and grab them fast while they're still in. I gotta grab this one now and throw it in my cart and get the heck out of here, because they're not lasting long. All right, guys, we made it out of Target alive, and we made it out so that we could show you these two beauties. Now, I did get these sent to me so that I could bring them live to you, and it's a good thing I did, because I wouldn't have been able to get my hands on one of these to review for you. That's how hot of an item they are. They flew off the shelves, and there are none left in my local Target. Can you even believe it? So let's dive deep into these bad boys. We're going to show you the A5, and then we are going to show you the most original OG best life planner on the market today. You are gonna check them out with me. Let's go. All right, guys. Here we have the Target line of 2022 Erin Condren 12-month dated weekly planners. So we're going to go over these in detail, but we have two sizes, two layouts, and really two great options. So we're going to start with the smaller of the two. This one is an A5, okay? So A5 size, and this is a soft bound. So it's not hard, but it certainly isn't floppy, okay? So it's definitely got some sturdiness to it, and this is really a beautiful planner. As you can see, it is rose gold, and it features the layers design, but without the colorful pattern that we are seeing over here in the other one. So we're going to open this up, and now we are going to see that colorful layers design, all right? So it's here, it's vibrant, it has been a crowd favorite, it's gorgeous. So if you're not familiar with Erin Condren products, there are quotes aplenty. Always something to inspire you to just open up your planner and make the best of it. Have enough courage to start and enough heart to finish. So we open it up, and we have what looks like our typical Erin Condren planners that you can get on the website. So it starts out with a full view of 2022 with some great lines at the bottom to jot down any notes, any upcoming events, anything like that, anything pertinent to what you want to use this section for. You open here, and we have 12 boxes, okay? Each one, if you are new, you will notice that they are color coordinated to match the month, all right? So here we have January, this kind of dark teal kind of color, and that will match. You will flip over to February, and you will find that you will have the same thing, okay? So, and so on and so forth. So this should be January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So as you flip, you have Heritage and Awareness observances. So in case you wanted to have any of these in your planner and add them to the monthly view, you can. You have the dates that are that are relevant in 2022. And again, a little bit of notes section because, I mean, why not? You can jot down anything. All right, so here is where it starts. We have our month beginning January 2022. You will always find a quotes page and a notes page. So you can jot down anything in the beginning, or as you get into the month, you can use that as a reflection potentially, or you know what I mean, for January. Once January is over, you can bring forth any information, what have you. But you're always gonna get that quote page. It's gonna open up into the month. So you've got a great space here for anything you need to write down in the month, and then a notes section, and you flip to another notes page and what we lovingly refer to as our dashboard. The dashboard has a few sections that in the past were labeled already, but we talked to Erin Condren and we took those out. So those boxes are available for you to do anything you want to with. Now, all of these sections, if you'd like to jump in and set up your planner however you want to and really customize it for yourself, check out, I'm gonna link above, my move-in series, and that will go through and give you a ton of ideas on how to use spaces like this. Yes, absolutely. So here we get into it. Here is the thick of it. These are your weekly pages, guys. So this is gonna be a horizontal planner. That means obviously it moves from left to right. You have line boxes here, and wherever holiday falls, it will be noted. They will fall in the color scheme that's relevant for that month, and you have the month at the top. And what you will notice is you have a little flag here denoting the beginning of the month. All right, so let's check it out. They keep the full week, so you get a little bit of December here. So that's nice. You don't have to wait till, January 1 to jump in. So check it out. And now here we repeat. Do with all your heart, February, and then it repeats. You have your holidays, you have your dashboard, and so on and so forth. So that's what you will get throughout this whole book. All right, so as we come to the end, we get to a little bit of January, right? And then we have some notes pages here and 2023. So if you'd like to plan ahead, you want to check and see what dates are next year, because you and I both know sometimes you need to know what day July 4th falls on in 2023 or the next year. So you have that, some spaces here, adding in those extra dates, and then the end. Beautiful layers design again. Now, one thing I wanted to mention was the nice ribbon here that gives you a way to hold your page for wherever you are, okay? Now, I know that this planner does not have tabs, but at any point, you can jump onto erincondren.com and grab yourself some tabs. They even have some really great matching ones. These are rose gold vegan leather. I think I pulled one up to kind of show they're a little thicker, and they match. I mean, it's just embossed, stamped. You can't really see, but you can't really see. There's no color in there, but there's one for a month. So you can pop those on the sides if you want. Check out the beautiful gold foiling on the sides. Yeah. So this is definitely a quality planner, and it looked like the price point in your local store was about $24.99, and that is definitely a great price for this planner. So let's move on real quick. Now you've seen already a ton of the ways that this is set up. All right, it's set up just the same, except now we're on a beautiful solid coil. Okay, you have a cover here that is interchangeable. So what does that mean for my planner newbies? So that means, check it out, I can take this cover off, and I can purchase a new one on erincondren.com that I can just completely snap right on and change the entire look of my new planner. How cool. It is so easy to do. Right, that took all of 4 seconds? And now look. Very thankful, incredibly grateful, unbelievably blessed. I could have put my name on this. I think I changed the colorway a little bit, but that's neither here nor there, guys. There are a ton of options. So if you are new to this, I assure you, you have options aplenty. So let's go. Let's jump into this planner. This is planner glitter, Erin Condren glitter. All right, so you have your vertical layout. So what does that mean, guys? This bad boy is gonna go up and down. So check it out. We have the same kind of quotes pages here. You have your 2021, 22, so you can look back and see what some of those dates were. You have the same boxes, the same list of holidays, note pages, and then we just go right into it, okay? Same exact layout, all right? Nothing different except you just have a little bit more room. Now here's where the whole thing changes. Gets flipped upside down. So now we are going vertical from top to bottom. We have what appears to be 3 sections and then a line section down at the bottom, all matching that same color scheme. You have your holidays up here and your dates and all that jazz. You'll find the month. Yeah. So, I mean, it's really great. A lot of people, I see them using these sections for different things. Home, work, goals, morning, evening, or morning, afternoon, evening. They're just, they'll be like maybe using it for yourself, a kid, some sports. There's just so many different ways to use this. It's awesome. So it just goes through the same thing, exactly the same way. The page is sliding through on this beautiful coil. Really solid coil too. There's one thing I can tell you about this is no flimsy coil here, okay? It feels solid and it really holds up. Now at the end of this, what we are going to find are a lot more notes pages, okay? So you just have a bunch of notes pages here in the back. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, you have a kind of a contact section. Like I said before, I check that link for my move-in series. I have lots of different ideas on how to use these pages. Then we get into 2023, same deal. You have the sections to kind of drop anything in there if it's relevant to the month coming up, and then some lines down here. And fun. We have some built-in stickers matching the layers theme that you can pop right into your planner. And yeah, some habit trackers, just some cute little labels, some circle stickers, and they're all very, very solid stickers as well. We all love to use the EC stickers. And ta-da! So one thing that you may realize that these are also like whiteboards. So you can use wet erase markers or dry erase on these sections on your covers to note anything. I like to stick sticky notes there and use it as kind of a dashboard like that. And yeah, so let's just go through some of the features that are listed on the front of this bad boy, okay? You have the premium quality and maximum organization here. Quality being you have the thick 80-pound text weight paper, okay? The paper with Erin Condren is second to none. It is what keeps me, besides other things, it is what keeps me coming back time and time again. There's nothing like it, and I didn't know I was a paper snob until I started to check out other planners and realized I'm a paper snob. So this says customer approved best-selling layout. So I have not really used the vertical layout only because I like what the daily and the hourly offer me. I haven't really used the vertical layout because I like what the hourly and the daily offer me with the lines and the hours and just different ways. That doesn't mean that I would kick this one out of bed, okay? Because I dream of being a vertical user. I just can't get my hands around it all the time. I just can't. So this says printed and hand coiled in the USA, and I'm telling you, these are hand coiled planners and they are built to last. So there are a couple differences in the ones that you will buy from the store. One, most notably, you do not have the tabs on the side. So luckily, you can grab tabs from Erin Condren. There are black ones, there have been colored ones. There are a bunch of tabs for you to pick up if you so desired and wanted to have that on the sides for you for easy flip through. Our planners that you purchase on the website will also have a folder in the back, and they come with a ruler. There aren't too many differences. There are a few less sticker pages. So you are getting a great deal by snagging this planner in store. When I was in there, you know, there was none left. People already are picking up and realizing that this planner is absolutely awesome. They flew right off the shelves and they were being snatched out of my hands while I was sitting there. So guys, don't wait, jump out to your local Target and check the shelves. Hopefully there's some left for you. I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't, because these things are gonna go like hotcakes. They should have a few extra accessories, but if you're interested in accessories, there are a ton available for you on erincondren.com. My link is below. What that means is I am an Erin Condren affiliate, so when you use my link, I get a small commission, and it does not affect your price whatsoever, but I get a little bit paid when you decide to shop. So if you're interested in some markers, some pens, anything like that, they have some really great options. They have some fine tip markers here. This is a great 24 pack in a great carrying case. We have smaller bundles in case you only want a couple, and then these really, really adorable mini gel pens. Guys, they come in every color. There's freaking 24 of them in here, and they are to die for. And they're really a great quality. You even have a white in here. There's neons, brights, pastels, metallics. Cannot beat it. You will find a great variety of snap-in accessories like these adorable bookmarks. You have magnetic bookmarks if that's something you're into. And don't forget our most favorite accessory, sticky notes. These are also a snap-in accessory. They snap right in, so you always have sticky notes on hand whenever you need them. Guys, thank you so, so much for checking out my video going over the latest Erin Condren Target launch. And I hope you have run to your local Target and check out these two gorgeous life planners. I hope you pick one up, bring one home, and really set out with these life planners to set yourself up for success and organize your life one day at a time. All right, guys, if you're not subscribed, please get down there, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know what you think. And if you have shopped at your local Target and found some Erin Condren products, I want to hear all about it. You guys are amazing. Jump on, check out that link below, my affiliate link, for any accessories that you might want to add to your ever-growing Erin Condren Life Planner collection. Guys, have a great day. Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.